Morning, guys. It's Brian from Astro Hub. It's about 8:48 a.m. January 27, 2018. We're coming to you with a brand new trading video for this day. This is going to be on Bitcoin. We're going to make this really short and sweet because A, not much is really going on. The market's trying to figure itself out a bit. And B, I have to get out of here. So I got lucky. Not much is going on, so I can make a short video. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, resteam, upvote, like I always say, all greatly appreciated. So what happened overnight? We have this price action right here. So remember, yesterday morning the market had fallen off, and then the market then throughout the day started coming up. We have a few different lines here of resistance. We have the bottom of this channel right here, and the market seems to trying to pierce through the bottom of this channel. Remember, this was that bearish flag. We have the bottom of that. We also have this hyphenated blue line, this dashed blue line, which comes from all the way at the top, not the tippy top. Actually, yes, I'm sorry. No, I forgot. I forgot already. Yeah, it comes from the secondary top. The green line comes from the top. Sorry, there's so many charts. Sometimes I forget. There we go in the background. Sorry about that. So here we go. So we have the bottom of the bearish, the bearish flag right here. We also have the hyphenated line that's coming across right here, again from the secondary top. And we also have the resistance line of 11,150 that we've been talking about for quite some time. So we have kind of this nesting of resistance, which can turn into support if the market does decide to kind of get through it. Now, we are kind of on lower volume here. We're on lower volume here. You can make a case that maybe this is a small triangle where this is kind of the top of it, and this right here is the bottom of it, and that we just pierce through that to the downside. Okay, we do see that volume obviously is kind of coming down here, pretty nicely. So this could have been just a very small triangle, and now the market's kind of pierced below it, and that's the way in which the market decided to, the sentiment decided to exhibit itself or show itself. So very interesting to see what's going to be happening today. I'm going to be constantly on my phone looking at the charts as I have various different obligations I need to meet throughout the day, family obligations and the such. So I will try to make another video tonight, maybe recapping to see if this actually, kind of sorts itself out. So with that, we're gonna leave it right there for you guys. As far as resistance levels are concerned, we have 10,000, like I said, 11,150. We have this channel up here, the bottom of this bearish flag right here. And then we also have this blue line. You can't really give too many exact levels here as far as numbers are concerned because of the fact that, this is with respect to time. So obviously these lines are angled with respect to time. Yeah, depending on where you are in time, these lines have different values. So in my estimation, we probably won't pierce through all of this. Maybe what may happen is we may find that we pierce through kind of the blue line here, and then we continue to work on this 11,150. That's kind of what I'm thinking may possibly happen. Or this may dip back down below, and then we're going to be ping-ponging between this lower yellow triangle and again the top of this hash line. A few different things that possibly can happen. This is kind of what I was saying in the past. As we move throughout time, the triangles become narrower and narrower. That's just by their very nature. So what happens is a lot of these support and resistance lines tend to nest in very short in very small spaces with respect to the price. So, you know, we're kind of seeing some of that right here at this juncture. So, yeah, I would say not really a time to trade. The times to trade were over. This is time to kind of just sit back and watch to see what happens. So, with that said, I'm going to leave it there. Happy trading. Have a great weekend, guys, and speak to you soon. Well, I'll be speaking to you before the weekend's over. Have a great day.